Alright, we're about to watch One Man, One Screwdriver, One Man, One Jar. Here's our reactions.
I've never seen this before.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Ah! Oh my god! Ew, what the hell?
It doesn't fit in there, man.
That's disgusting! Oh, so much blood. Ew. He's hairy. Ew. Ew, it's squirting out blood. Ew, it's squirting.
He's on his period.
What the hell?
This isn't creepy at all.
It's not, but it's...
Oh, that's not creepy.
It's just... Why would it... It's just... Well, Madeline, why would you do that?
Oh, this is sick. Oh my god, this is sick.
It's demented. Oh my
Oh my god,
god.
there's blood everywhere.
That was jacked up.
Oh,
That was definitely
God, I can't
jacked
believe I
up.
watched that.
Alright, well now you've seen our reaction.